or against anyone, but for a better prosperity for our next generation. So that is our message today. We are asking for our rights. We are not trying to take away any community's rights. And I hope that you, especially medias which are taking this outside, portray the correct picture that the unity of tribal is for the interest of India, for the interest of our nation and our respective states.
For November, what type of movement we can expect?
Well, you wait and watch. Otherwise, you will have all the gossip beforehand. We will do what we have to, but we will keep our pressure and we will keep on going to the people and asking them to guide us. And we should not go away from our original path, which we had given a commitment to our poor Tiprasas.
My last question, you have expressed conscious about some section are trying to buy the leaders. It's an allegation.
No, it's not an allegation. Purchase of leaders is an old phenomenon in India. But leaders also realize that only tribals are not purchasable. Even they are purchasable. And eventually, the only people who can purchase them is not money, but the love of the people. So the people are with us. It is very true.
उठाया है कि कोई नई बात नहीं है। पास्ट एक तरीके से एक आवाज़ में सुनने की कोशिश की है। लेट पीएस सांगमा के समय से और उससे पहले भी बहुत सारे लीडरों ने इसे करने की कोशिश की है। हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव तो यही है कि हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ रहें, एक दूसरे का साथ दें, एक दूसरे की कठिनाइयों पे और एक दूसरे के जो इश्यूज़ हैं उसको कैसे हम लोग रिजॉल्व कर पाए, उस पर हम एक दूसरे की सहायता करें। और इस ऑब्जेक्टिव और इस सोच से आज मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ। और मैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट के सभी हमारे जो अलग अलग रीजनल पार्टीज़ हैं, जो लोकल पार्टीज़ हैं और लीडर्स हैं, मैं एक यूनिटी का मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ। और हमारी कोशिश यही है कि हम लोग साथ में काम करें ताकि हम लोग नॉर्थ ईस्ट के जो इश्यूज़ को हम लोग सही तरीके से एक साथ एक आवाज़ में हम लोग उठा पाएँ। और इसको करते हुए हमें किसी के खिलाफ, हम किसी के कोई कम्युनिटी या ग्रुप के अगेंस्ट नहीं है, किसी इंडिविजुअल के अगेंस्ट नहीं है। ये खाली हमारे नॉर्थ ईस्ट के इंडिजिनस लोगों के राइट्स के लिए हम लोग को लगता है। और ये सही बात है कि जब तक हम लोग एक साथ नहीं होंगे हमारी आवाज़ को सुनी जाती है। इसलिए इस सोच से हम लोग आगे for the rights of our indigenous people out here. And there are a lot of constitutional aspects that are there. We are looking for a good solution in which we are able to take up the issues. And yes, if the issue requires for us to look at Greater land, then yes, we are with them to work towards it. But we're looking at the solutions that can be there and whatever way in which we can support the people out.
And how seriously do you think the centre should take the demand?
That depends on them. You have to ask them about it because it's something that they have to think about. But from our side, we want to continue the support and we want to fight and we want to be with the people out here and let them know that we are there. We've always felt that the issues and concerns of the Northeast are common in some areas. And because of the different languages and different cultures, sometimes we don't come together, even though the issues are very similar. And hence, unity is a positive way to move forward in order to be able to find solutions to our problems.